Thank you very much, Vemico, for my extra batteries for my vlogs and my outdoor video. Thank you so much. Okay? More products, more sponsored products. Sponsored product from Amazon. I got it already, my amigos and amigas. So let's take a look and unbox it here. Hello my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a sponsored product from Amazon. Here it is. I received just last week. Before I show it to you what's inside, my amigos and amigas, I like to shout out to Renee, by the way, for reaching me out and messaging me in my Gmail. Shout out to you, Renee. Thank you very much for trusting this product to me and another content to my channel. Thank you very much. So this one, my amigos and amigas, is a sponsored product. It's a Np-Bx1 rechargeable batteries. So I'm gonna show you what's inside and give you some details what are the camera that compatible to it. Okay, so let's begin, my amigos and amigas. Unbox it and review it because I use it already and it's very good, I can say. So watch this video until the end. So let's open it, my amigos and amigas. What's inside of this sponsored box? Sponsored products. Okay, let's open it, my amigos and amigas. This one. The product, by the way, the brand is Vemico. This one. Okay, Vemico. It's a battery. It contains 3 items. This one, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 lithium battery. And the other one is a Type-C cable that you can use in charging. And this is the casing, by the way, that we can put the battery here. And this one is the LCD, so we can monitor if it's full charge or not. So this let's try it later. And this one is the port for this one, the cable. And also in the box included is the warranty card. So from Vemico, this one. And also get your free bonus. Don't know what it is. It's a freebies maybe. It's a contact information about them. So I can say it's very legit, my amigos and amigas, that someone is sponsored you and the items is very real. Okay, and this one is the Vemico user guide. Okay, so let's define it, my amigos and amigas. What is the Vemico, by the way, the product that sponsored me? So my amigos and amigas, the brand that sponsored me is Vemico. Vemico is a brand of professional camera accessories focusing on the quality and replacement of batteries and charger and all products built in with high quality and safety, my amigos and amigas. So Vemico battery, this one that they sponsor me, contains of 1240 mAh power capacity. So this one is very good. And also I used this just yesterday or the other day, my amigos and amigas, to do a vlog, and it lasts for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it's very good one, my amigos and amigas. And also let me show you the charger, the charger case that you can put the batteries on. It has a LCD. You can see that if the battery is full or not. This one, my amigos and amigas. So let's try it. Okay, so get the port that they give is also free, my amigos and amigas. Okay, this one. Okay. Then, since my socket is very far from here, I just need a power bank. So I'm just going to connect it, man, because I will just show you the LCD here. Okay, this one. As you can see, my amigos and amigas, the LCD here says empty because I haven't put this one. Okay, so I'll just going to put here. See, it's charging. Okay, so the other one is empty because I haven't put yet, right? So I'm going to put another battery. And I saw this one. See, my amigos and amigas? So Vemico dual charger, this is the box included when I receive it, and the battery 1 and 2. So you can see it's very charging. Okay, so this one I full charge already the other day, and this one's not yet. Okay. Charging, and I use it just yesterday, and it's very good. I told you before, my amigos, batteries can last for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So additional to my gear, whenever I do some outdoor video, that I bring a extra battery. So thank you very much, Vemico, for giving this one as a free product to me and making a review to it. This one, okay. And this is the other battery. If you ask me, my amigos and amigas, my rating on using the Vemico dual charger and Vemico battery is, I can say my experience is very good, and my rating to it, if you're gonna ask me, is 10 out of 10. Why, my amigos and amigas? Because the battery is very important to me. Whenever I go outside and do some vlogs or video, it will last until 1 hour and 30 minutes, and additional to my accessory of some battery, because sometimes my camera got low battery, so I must bring this one. It's very good one. I recommend this to all YouTubers and some influencers that using a camera, even some photographer, that this one is very good one. The Vemico rechargeable battery, and also the Vemico charger. This one, the box, because they include some LCD display here that you can use. So this one is my experience overall. Good one, Vemico. So in my description box, my amigos and amigas, I put the link below, and you can check out the shop and the prices below, and a lot of accessories, by the way. So check out in the description box. So this one, thank you very much again, Vemico, for sponsoring me this product. Another thing more, my amigos and amigas, the Vemico has a security protection. The 5.0, by the way, is the overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, overheat protection, over power protection, and overcharge protection, and also over circuit protection. So all in all, a lot of protection. So I trust Vemico. So check out, okay, my amigos and amigas, the link below I put, okay? This is my Sony ZV-1, my amigos and amigas. So let's fit the battery in it, the Vemico Np-Bx1. See? So let's fit, my amigos and amigas. Okay, off for a while. So this is the one of the sponsored product, because the Vemico, I told you already, my amigos and amigas, they give me 3 batteries. So let's fit in. Okay, Sony Np-Bx1. Okay, so let's fit my amigos and amigas here. Okay, so I removed the original battery of the Sony here. Okay, that's one. I remove it, and the Sony, the Np-Bx1, by the way. Okay. Yeah, it's really compatible, my amigos and amigas, and it's full charge. Okay, so ready to do vlog and more videos to come, and also more sponsored product, my amigos and amigas. So thank you for joining me. Bye. Thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me, and thank you very much, Vemico, for sponsoring my extra batteries for my outdoor vlog and also for my indoor video. Thank you very much. So more products and more sponsorship to come, my amigos and amigas. So thank you for supporting me always. Bye.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron.